first of all, this is the Arduino board, Arduino you can clearly see. These are the analog pins, while these all are the digital pins. Now here we have different types of connecting wires, 4 types of different connecting wires, and here we are having the ultrasonic sensors. First of all, let me explain the ultrasonic sensor. What is an ultrasonic sensor? So it is a sensor having two, this one is the transmitter and this one is the receiver. You can clearly see from the alphabet written over here, transmitter for T and receiver for the R. Now how this ultrasonic sensor works? So first of all, this transmitter part of the sensor transmit the ultrasonic. So in this sensor, 4 different pins are given. The first pin is VCC, where we supply the voltage. The last pin is the ground pin, and the middle one, both are the trig pin and the echo pin. Trig pin is for the transmitter part of the sensor, and the echo pin is for the receiver part of the sensor. So now let us start the connections. So here we go. First of all, we are taking a connecting wire, and let us connect to the first VCC, and we supply 5 voltage from the Arduino board. Then taking another connecting wire, and we connect the ground of the sensor, and from there to the ground of the Arduino board. Okay, now we are taking the third connecting wire and joining with the trig pin of the sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and we are just giving any one of the digital pins. Let us give the this 9th one of the digital pins of the Arduino board, and the last connecting wire is for the echo terminal of the ultrasonic sensor. And we are giving to the digital pin, 10th digital pin of the Arduino board. So now you can see the full connections of the Arduino board to the ultrasonic sensors. These are the 4 different connecting wires. This one is the red one is the 5 voltage supplies which is given to the sensor. The second one is ground, and these 2 are the trig pin and the echo pin to read the data fetched by the sensor. And this is the USB cable which is going to be joined to the serial monitor to display the output, to see the distance in the serial monitor. So now let us go on to the coding part of the sensor to implement.
Now let's go on the coding part of this particular circuit. Here first we have taken 2 variables named as trig pin and echo pin having data type const int. That means here we have used const because we are not going to change its value in the whole code, and int is its data type. It is going to use the integer value data type. Then we have assigned trig pin as 9 and echo pin as 10 as per our connections. Whenever we do any coding, the 2 functions void setup and void loop are compulsory. The commands which are written in void setup are executed for one time, and the commands written in void loop are executed for multiple times. So let us understand the void setup. Here we have used serial.begin 9600 to initialize the serial monitor. By writing this, the serial monitor will take the value. Here the pin mode is the keyword to assign the value of assign the type of the here pin mode is a command to assign the pin as an input or an output pin. Here we have assigned trick pin as output pin because it is going to transmit the ultrasonic waves, and as the echo pin is going to receive the ultrasonic wave, it has pin mode as input. Here we have made two functions. The first one is long microseconds to inches. Here the name of the function is microseconds to inches and its data type and return type is of long. And we are going to convert the duration of the ultrasonic wave to travel from the transmitter to the receiver into the distance. So first we are dividing the duration by 2 to get the distance half, and then according to the formula we are dividing it by 74, so we get the distance in inches. And if we want to get the distance in centimeters, we can use the second function, which is named as microseconds to centimeters. It is also having the data type and the return type as long. Here we are going to divide the duration by 2 to get the distance half, and then according to the formula we are dividing it by 29 to get the distance in centimeters.
Now explaining the void loop. First of all, we have taken three integers, three variables in data type long. Now using data type long because we have multiple ranges of units, like duration will be measured in microseconds, inches will be measured in inches. So long is a better option for a data type over here. Now the second line, which is digital write trick pin low and delay of microsecond 2 microseconds. Now these two lines are for giving time to the hardware to refresh before a new procedure. Then giving high voltage to trick pin. Giving high voltage to trick pin will transmit the ultrasonic waves from the transmitter of our ultrasonic sensor, and it will transmit the waves for 10 microseconds. Then giving it low voltage will stop the transmission after 10 microseconds. Now this particular function, which is duration pulse in echo pin high, this particular function will store the value of total time in milliseconds, total time in microseconds in between transmission and receiving the ultrasonic wave data. Now this data will be sent to echo pin, which is digital pin number 10 on Arduino. And further, these two functions used, which is inches and centimeter, these two functions contain the formula for converting microsecond data into inches and centimeter respectively. Then these lines will print or measured values in inches and centimeter on our serial monitor with a delay of 100 milliseconds.
So we are now demonstrating the circuit live. So we are going to see this live simulation of the circuit. This is the ultrasonic sensor I have previously said, and the output is shown in the serial monitor. See, right now it is showing 3 to 4 centimeter because my hand is 3 to 4 centimeter away from the sensor. You can see. Now as we increase, see the counting also increases, the distance also increases. See, you can see 7, 8 centimeter. I am increasing, I am raising my hands upper and upper. See, now you can see the distance on the screen. It is something about 12 to 15 centimeter.